Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we'll go over the automations feature in Monday.com. Have you ever had the feeling that you're performing too much manual work and wished there was a solution? Make use of Monday.com automations to advance your workflow. Today, we will build essential basic automations for our legal request board. So let's get started. We have 3 groups right on our board, namely the New Tickets group, Working on It, and Done. With each request that comes to our board, we want them automatically moved from one group to another based on their progress. So we make automations. We can choose pre-built automation recipes from the Template Center, but today we will build our own from scratch. We'll click Add New Automation and start creating the trigger, condition, and action. In what we built, the trigger would be the change of the status of request. The condition is when it progresses to currently being worked on. And then our action is to move the request into the Working on It group. Then, click Create Automation for this to work. Let's duplicate this one more time for every completed request. It will move into the Done group. Here are the ones we've created. Let's get to our board and try them out. Let's change the for this one into Working on It. As you can see, it moved automatically. Let's change this one into Done, and it also moved to the Done group. Another thing we want to do is move manually an item. Let's say this one from the Done group to Working on It. What we normally do is change the status manually, right? But by doing another set of automation, we eliminate all of this repetitive work. The next automation recipe is kind of a reverse of these two. When an item is moved to group, change the status to something. When we move the request into the Working on It group, the status changes to Working on It automatically. Then again, click Create Automation. Let's duplicate this one too and change the condition and action for this specific trigger. Let's try them out again to our board, moving this item into the New Ticket board. And there you go. The status changes to New. Moving another item from Done to this group. Now the status changed into Working on It. Follow us for more content about business digitalization. We're MindFlows, certified Monday.com partner.